Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic. Today we are going to take my blah winter stained patio and we're going to turn it into a place where all your friends are going to want to come and mooch all your liquor and hang out all night and party. So if you'd like to see me do it, let's get started now. Okay guys, first we have to take everything off the patio and we have to clean it because it is filthy. It has grease stains from last summer, it has leaf stains from the fall, and a whole bunch of other gunk and dirt. So let's take everything off the patio so we can clean it. So guys, if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I hope you stick around and watch a few more of my videos. If you are returning, welcome back superstars. Okay, superstars, this is the bare patio before we get started cleaning and getting it together. So that's how it looked. Now, like I said, I'm just cleaning the patio, and there is a full video of getting this patio together. You can check it out. It is my last video that I did, how to clean your patio, concrete patio, I should say. Okay, once you've gotten your patio all clean, it is time to decorate. I have a few helpers, my friend, my son, and my husband. But of course, I'm the chief, so I like to get it together myself. And I hope you enjoy this video. All right, superstars, I did finish to my satisfaction. Of course, I have a lot of flowers and knickknacks and doodads to put in the patio, but this is basically the finished look, and I'm pretty satisfied. You know what I'm saying? Looks pretty decent to me. Pretty decent. Yeah, guys, so here I definitely lost all of my light, and because I'm pretty chocolate, you cannot see me, but I am done. I am, however, about to show you my patio in the daytime, the next day. And there it is. This is the finished product of the patio in the day. But of course, patios look way better in the nighttime, but I think I did a pretty good job myself. So guys, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you. Bye.